sacred Sri Bhagavati temple. Honorable Governor, over the last 4 years, he has undertaken several yatras. Goa Gram Sampurna Yatra. Honorable MLA remembers that yatra, and here we have visited several institutions, and several with a lot of financial support has been extended during this yatra, and we have visited temples, churches, and also the mosques and masjids. After that, he undertook one more yatra, that was the Dweep Parichaya Yatra, where we visited 9 islands. And then there was this Giri Rohan Yatra that we also undertook. And there was this Natural Heritage Yatra where we went around seeing all the heritage trees which were more than 100, 200 years old. So it was a Saimik Dais Yatra which we did. So on the 13th of this May, last month, Honorable Governor announced this new yatra which is known as the Khushal Kalyan Yatra. Now there have been some unfortunate incidents in Goa, and also there was a problem prevailing on our borders during that time. And in the light of these things which happened, developments, Honorable Governor decided to undertake this yatra. And the purpose of this yatra is to offer prayers. Prayers for the welfare, the peace, the happiness for the people of Goa and for the nation. So on the 13th of May, we started the yatra at Sabaivare, Sri Ananta Padmanabha Swami temple, and we went right up to Kumkoli. Then the second day, the third day, and today is the fourth day. And today we are before Goddess Bhagavati, and we have taken her blessings, and we look forward to your cooperation for the success of this Khushal Kalyan Yatra.
Of course, the threat of Pakistan and all those things is known to all of us. So Rajwan decided to go to every temple and selected churches, the mass prayer there. The Almighty, the Supreme Power will go to the temples and pray for the welfare of the country and welfare of our people. Khushal is a word you see in all Indian languages. Malayalam, Punjabi, Sanskrit. Khushal means happiness. Then Kalyan means welfare. So welfare of the people, welfare of the nation. So our tradition also, these types of temple is representing the great tradition of our country. Our country crossed the Manvantaras and reached this stage. And now world is looking after our Bharat, Bharatavarsha, Hindustan or India. Everybody is expecting something, and we are able to provide it. As far as my 4 other yatras are concerned, all are connected to Goan tradition, culture, and our Bharatavarsha's concepts during the last time, from time immemorial. That I also realize from where we get the power. A very good lawyer is nearby me now. Under the Constitution, he is supreme. Whether Supreme Court is supreme, whether Governor is supreme, whether Chief Minister is supreme, whether MLA is supreme. According to our Constitution, the mandate of the Constitution is that people are supreme. This concept, as a student, we are on the legal fraternity. The Constitution, 395 is there. Nobody is giving importance to that. That's a repealing provision. That repealing provision, of course, through my book, I have tried to explain it. So we got freedom. I mean, of course, in 1961 only, our Goan people, we got freedom. But 1947, other parts of the country, except that Pondicherry, all other parts got freedom. And that freedom, of course, at the time of our Constituent Assembly discussions and our presentation of the Constitution at that time, 1947 August 15th is considered as the Freedom Day. And legislation passed by who? By the Britishers. Then our forefathers, I mean the Constitutional Assembly members, they were aware of the fact that this freedom, if we rejected it from our law, otherwise it will be depicted as a gift of freedom. That's legislation, basic legislation. If that's the basic legislation, risk is also there. My learner friend is well aware of that. If the main act goes, everything will go. That is a concept. Even then, our Constituent Assembly, 395, last provision in our Constitution, our Constituent Assembly unanimously declared that we are set aside it, repealing it. Freedom given to us, we rejected it in a way, legally. Why? Then, the first sentence of the Constitution, we the people. So, we the people. Who is the real owner of this freedom?